Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Wednesday evening, almost 9:30, and we did it again. Made it to 90 in Providence, 92, Taunton 90, New Bedford, and almost 90 in Smithfield. Felt a little hotter than that. That's the heat index when you factor in the actual air temperature and the humidity. Now, that heat index will be running close to 100 for some areas on Thursday. And the net result is this. We have a heat advisory, not for everyone. It's for the areas in orange, inland, meaning these feel-like temperatures. The heat index running close to 100 on Thursday afternoon. Now, it'll be hot everywhere, and even the coastline, but it's just, the further away from the ocean you are, the hotter the temperatures are. So when we look at the heat index of that feel-like temperature, it was running around 95 degrees this afternoon. It'll be a little closer to 100 on Thursday, and even Friday is very warm, hot. And look at the noticeable drop in the temperature over the weekend. We are much cooler Saturday and Sunday, and that's going to be due to some extra clouds and even the chance of a passing shower over the weekend. I don't see by any means a washout or a rainy weekend, but can't rule out a shower. And adding to this, uncomfortable air, a poor air quality alert's been issued for Thursday. So high concentrations of ground level ozone. So respiratory sensitive people need to take it slow. I mean, really everybody, no matter what kind of health you're in, it'll be, pretty hot and humid. So you stay in the shade, stay hydrated, take it easy as we get through some of these dog days of summer. Actually, we got a 3 to potentially 4 day heat wave on the way. Today was day number 2, more than likely day number 3 coming up on Thursday. Nothing on the satellite locally. I mean, we've got some showers across the Mid-Atlantic, and let me get rid of my big head over here. There we go. You can see some of the showers and thunderstorms near Chicago. That should stay away. All right, now we are getting into the heart of the hurricane season, and we are looking at what is being called an Invest L. In other words, this is what the Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on right in here in the Caribbean. Here's the Gulf of Mexico. So we're seeing signs that this is going to track through the Caribbean into the Gulf by early next week as perhaps a significant hurricane. So the track would look something like this over the coming days, and potentially a real significant Gulf Coast threat by early next week. We don't see at this point, any indications of this system coming up the East Coast, but rather the Gulf Coast. So really anywhere from Texas to Louisiana, even as far east as the Florida Panhandle. I'll need to watch this very closely. In the meantime, kind of quiet here in New England as we get in real close, and we'll step you through the forecast hour by hour. And here we are. This is Thursday morning, 7 a.m., starting off in the mid-70s. And watch these temperatures jump up, 90, 95 inland, and looking at 80s, mid-80s along the coastline. Now, watch what happens like late afternoon, right there. Not a biggie. See little blips. I mean, you want to talk about widely scattered and isolated. So slight chance late afternoon of a random isolated shower or thunderstorm. Most areas are sunny and dry. Most areas don't catch one of these, but 1 or 2 may pop up. That's about it. If you're going to be outdoors, don't really anticipate anything widespread with thunder. 7 o'clock in the evening, mid and upper 80s, and then later tomorrow night at 11 o'clock, another warm and humid night. So here we are. This is a Thursday morning, sunshine, wasting no time warming up rapidly. In fact, we're close to 90, if not 90 already by noon. And then here we are Thursday afternoon, low to mid 90s. I mean, anywhere from 90 to 94. Now, these are the actual air temperatures. The heat index will be running hotter than that. We're running close to 100. Beaches, sunshine, dry, meaning no rain, but you got some humidity there. Temperature 85, water temp at 72. So Bay forecast, let's not forget that. Southwest at 10 to 15, visibility 4 to 7 miles in haze. Boaters, I mean, just be mindful, even though the chance is pretty low, that we've got a slight risk of an isolated thunderstorm. And then notice over the weekend, the temperatures are cooling off quite a bit, some extra clouds both Saturday and into Sunday. You can also, if you have your smartphone right now, you can actually scan that QR code, and with that, you can download the Pinpoint 12 weather app. A lot of neat features on there, interactive radar. We're constantly updating videos and updates. You get the bay forecast, beach forecast. You get alerts and tones. And, of course, the app follows you no matter where you go. So if there's any kind of a storm approaching, you'll get a tone. So you can scan that QR code, and it's absolutely free. All right, that is your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.